What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In this video, I will be using my contour shampoo and conditioner, some gloves, an avatar earrings in the color jet black, and an application brush. First, I'm going to start off by removing my braids. I did these braids myself. I have a video on my channel with me doing these braids. It is the previous video on my channel, so if you're interested, you can go and check that out. Also, I did a video giving you guys an update as it regards to my bleached hair. So if you're planning to bleach your hair or you just want to know like the advantages and disadvantages that comes with you bleaching your hair, you should definitely check that video out. It is up on my channel. After removing the braids, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair simply because I rather having a clean scalp for my rinse application. Now I am parting my hair in half. I am doing the classic back to front method. I am doing this so I can comb through my hair to make it easier for me when I'm applying the rinse. In no particular order, I'm just going to start applying the rinse all over my hair. For my hairline, I used the application brush to apply the rinse simply because I did not want it to look super dark. But for the rest of my hair, I used my fingers to apply the rinse. After applying the rinse, I'm going to comb through my hair with a rake comb to ensure that the rinse is all over the strands of my hair. After leaving the rinse in my hair for approximately 45 minutes, I'm going to rinse it out until the water runs clear. Back with the results looking like this, I was not really satisfied. By the way, the white residue in my hair is actually some contour leave-in conditioning treatment. As I was saying, I am not satisfied with the color of my hair, being that it wasn't dark enough for me, but I just decided to go with it anyways. I combed through my hair and left my hair to air dry off camera. This is the complete end result. I realized that after my hair was fully dried, it got a bit darker, so I accepted the look. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave some positive feedback. Also, please remember to follow all my socials at AYAFARRR, or you can just click the links in my subscription box. It will take you straight to my social media pages. This is the end of the video, guys. That's it from me. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.